viewers, welcome to my channel AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. Today I am going to show you a list that help you to make your work easy and it's very simple. And sometimes a simple work make you crazy to not understand what you have to do. This list will help you to tag like the numbering. If you want to do something numbering or tagging or typing the text and typing text with the number, it's difficult, and you have lot of numbers like 200, 150, whatever you have. So you have to copy the text and you have to edit each one by one. But this list will help you easily to be just click the point and you will get the number. And if you want to stop the between, do other work, and if you want to continue wherever you start, that after that you can continue from that number where you start. Okay, so I will show you this one. Let's go to the manage. There is a manage, then load application. The list name is P and T. This PT list is actually is for coordinate, but we don't need coordinate, we will use for tagging. Okay, so let's load this, load once, now close. And now you are thinking about what is this. This is the stone work. There is a heritage work is going on in Neom project or Alula project. On that project I am working. So there is the stones. They don't want to destroy the heritage work, so that's why they're removing the stones and making some concrete underground. Then they will fix it again. So that's why they are asking me to make the numbering. Each tile have very important because 200 years, 100 years old stones, that one. So they asked me to make the numbering on that. So we already load the application PT. We load it, load and close. Okay, IPT. Now here it is. He is asking point file name. You can read it. Point file name. Whatever file you want to give name it like something like your name. You can give like I will give my name IMZ. Enter. Now scale, you can give scale 1 or 2, whatever. Then it will ask you the code, prefix code. Prefix code means like you need your number with what code, what type of code. Like you can give cable, CABLE cable, then 1 cable, enter. Okay, like cable, CABLE cable, or stone. You can give, we have stones here, right? STON stone. Okay, prefix code only, that's stone only. Okay, or only S1 or stone 1 only, just S, enter. Now he is starting the number. Okay, what type, from where to start? I need start from 1. Now I will click here, you will get the number with the point. See, now we have S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, S9, S10, S11, S12, S13, S14, S15, S16. Like whatever number you have up to 167 I have, so I can make it easily. It's very easy. Okay, so I find this idea today to how to use your old list like coordinates list to the tagging numbers like that. Okay, if you need this list, you can comment me in the comment section. I will forward you, or comment me your email. It's easy for me to forward you. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, comment me in this comment section. I will reply you as soon as. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next tutorial.